Good morning, everyone. Today, the 26th of January, the weekly chart doesn't look any different, so we're still in this range as we've been for a while now. But what we can see here is that previous week has swept some liquidity below here. Current week started with a sweep of the previous week's open, this liquidity level, and it's making its way higher. So if we look at also the daily chart, current day has swept liquidity below Friday and Thursday into this volume imbalance, and price is making its way higher. So with that in mind, look at this weekly chart. I would say that this is a low hanging fruit target. Previous week close. This week close, that's a one target, and then we have previous week high. If we look at the daily chart, those levels are actually Friday's close and Friday's high. Alright, so let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, what do we see? We see that we are in positive gamma, and that's the monthly profile, profile. And then what else do we see? We see price has tapped this balance price range into discount of this range, and it's making its way up. Where does that go? As I said, this is a first target, this is a second target. Ultimately, we might say that price is reaching for that. So let's do range here. We might say that price is reaching for all this liquidity here. If it's going here, then we'll sweep this. So it goes all the way up, in my opinion. But first, those are the targets we are looking at. This one, this one. Doesn't look any, in my opinion, don't see any bearishness for now. Even more on that fact that if we look here at this 15-minute chart we have had, on the close we have had a drop, severe drop here, but this drop, if it's actually 230 points, and that's one risk interval calculated based on CME's margin requirements. So that's the drop that got engulfed back up, and at this point this is a non-event. It's a non-event at this point. I think this is based on the news around Canada deal with China and Trump putting tariffs on Canada as a response. And that's all cancelled now, as you can see from the price action. That's everybody that was short here is going to be underwater when price goes about this, and they need to close the positions, and closing the shorts means price will go higher to this level and this level, as we said. And all right, so that's the outcome for today. Nothing more to say actually here, except for the fact that it's going up. So trade safe and take care.